Hello, welcome to My Easy Statistics. In this video, we will try to understand what is effect size in a simple and easy way. For this, I am taking an example of student performance. In this example, we have two variables. First variable is gender, second variable is marks. Gender is a categorical data which has two levels, male and female. That is, we have two groups, male group and female group. And marks is a scale data. We want to first know whether there is any significant difference between male group towards a female group. And if there is a significant difference, next we try to understand what is the difference between this male and female, means how much is the difference between male group and female group. So first starts the analysis to see whether there is a significant difference between male and female group. Analyze, compare mean. We must do independent sample t-test. Here the grouping variable is gender. Let's take gender. Define group. We have male is first group, second group is female. Continue. And marks is testing variable. Click OK. Once we click OK, in the output we must see independent sample t-test. Here you can see the significant value. The significant value is 0.000. If the significant value is less than 0.05, then there is a significant difference between male and female. You can see here the male mean is 57.58, female is 78.57. So we can understand easily, that there is a difference between male and female. Many people will stop research here, but we need to find what is the effect size, that is what is the difference between the two groups. To understand this better, we must draw one diagram, histogram diagram for male group and female group, and compare and see what is the difference between this male and female group. For this, in the graph chart builder, we will select histogram. In this we will be selecting this population pyramid. Right. In this we will take marks as distribution variable and gender as split variable. Click OK. Now this is the diagram chart we got. Now double click on that. We are in chart editor. Select this transport chart. Now we can see the both female and male on the same chart. Okay, now let me draw one normal distribution curve for both. Now we can see for female we have drawn one curve, and for male also we have drawn one curve. Now let us see the means. We know that the female mean is near to 80, whereas male group mean is near to 60. Let's draw two horizontal lines. Right. Now here let's keep the mean, and here let's keep this at the mean of the male. Now let us discuss the effect size between the two groups. The mean of male group is near to 80 and the mean of this male group is near to 60. Now if you see the overlapping between the two groups, this is the area where we have overlap, means that there are some students in both group, that is a male and female group. If the overlap is very high, then the significant difference between the groups will be very less. If the overlap is not there, then there is a high significant difference between the groups. So the effect size explains how much is a difference between the two groups. In this case, there is a large effect size because there is a lot of variation between female group and male group. In one of my videos, I have already explained you the formula using eta square formula, how to calculate the effect size. You can refer that and even calculate the effect size value also. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.